Just how to how to change or set an isolation code or channel differently using the for VT3000 software. So basically, when you're on your welcome screen here, we want to select the core software. And first place you want to go to is here under administration, your system settings, or administration and system settings. Basically, we want to go to service because this is where our coordinators are at. And so once we're on this page, we're selecting this coordinators piece. And so you may have multiple coordinators here, which is fine. Essentially, for what you want to do is just select the one that you're trying to find out what the code is for. So like for me, this coordinator set up for isolation code number 3. So what I want to do is I want to change a PSM to go over to another network that's on channel 1 or isolation code 1. So basically what I'm going to do here is what I want to do is exit out of here, right? So I'm going to go diagnostics device status, and then we're going to see our PSM right here. So I'm going to show you is that PSM screen here. So essentially if I go here, 047 unlocks it. If you haven't changed the code, go to settings. We have this right here, this mesh isolation code. If I hit get, it's going to show me that it's number 3 because it is on this system right here. So now what I want to do is flip it to number 1. So I'm going to go all the way over to the right hand side here, and I'm going to hit options. And then I'm over here on the select one, I'm going to go to commands. And then for the command menu, I'm going to click down arrow. I'm going to select this command that says set isolation code. And so by default, it'll always go to 1. So that's fine for this scenario, right? I just want to go to isolation code 1. So now I'm going to hit this issue command. It's going to come up and tell me, make sure I want to do that, because once I do it, I can no longer talk to it through this system. So I'm going to hit OK. And then basically return my device status. And if I pull up this touchscreen again, and I go back to look at that isolation code right here, and I say get, it now says that it's talking to system number 1. So it's no longer talking to me on this system. That will take care of this how-to on changing the isolation code using the touchscreen. Keep in mind this method works on a BSC as well as a PSM, and we'll look forward to talking to you again.